The deadly Black Mamba, nature's most fearsome snake. The Black Mamba, Dendroaspis polylepis, is one of the most feared snakes in the world. Black Mamba, known for its incredible speed, potent venom, and aggressive behavior when threatened. This snake has built a reputation as a deadly predator. Despite its fearsome status, the Black Mamba plays a crucial role in the ecosystem and is a fascinating species worth learning about. The name is misleading. Contrary to what its name suggests, the Black Mamba is not actually black. Its skin is typically olive, brownish-gray, or khaki in color. The name, Black Mamba, comes from the inky black color inside its mouth, which it displays as a warning when feeling threatened. 2. One of the fastest snakes in the world. The Black Mamba is among the fastest snakes on the planet, capable of reaching speeds of up to 12 miles per hour, 20 km/h. While it does not chase humans, its incredible speed allows it to escape threats and hunt prey effectively. Its agility makes it an apex predator in its habitat. 3. Highly venomous and deadly. The Black Mamba possesses one of the most potent venoms of any snake. Its venom is neurotoxic, meaning it attacks the nervous system, causing paralysis and respiratory failure if left untreated. A single bite can inject enough venom to kill multiple humans, making it one of the most dangerous snakes in Africa. However, anti-venom is available, and quick medical attention can save lives. 4. Found in sub-Saharan Africa. This snake is native to parts of sub-Saharan Africa, often found in savannas, rocky outcrops, and wooded areas. It prefers warm climates and is most active during the day. Despite its lethal reputation, Black Mambas prefer to avoid humans and will only attack if cornered or provoked. 5. The Black Mamba's hunting strategy. Unlike pythons or constrictors that suffocate their prey, the Black Mamba relies on its venom to immobilize victims. It bites its prey multiple times, injecting a powerful dose of venom that quickly takes effect. 6. Black Mambas are not aggressive without cause. Although they have a fearsome reputation, Black Mambas are not naturally aggressive toward humans. They are shy creatures that prefer to flee when confronted. However, if they feel trapped or threatened, they can become highly defensive and strike repeatedly. 7. Can raise its head off the ground. One of the Black Mamba's most intimidating behaviors is its ability to raise a significant portion of its body off the ground. When threatened, it can lift up to 1/3 of its length, spread its narrow hood, and hiss loudly while displaying the black inside of its mouth, a clear warning to back away. 8. One of the longest venomous snakes. The Black Mamba is one of the longest venomous snakes in the world, growing up to 14 feet, 4.3 meters, in length. On average, they measure between 8 and 10 feet, 2.5 to 3 meters, making them one of the largest deadly snakes in Africa. 9. A solitary and elusive creature. Black mambas are solitary reptiles that prefer to live alone. They typically seek shelter in termite mounds, hollow trees, or rock crevices. Unlike some other snakes that stay in one place for long periods, the black mamba is an active hunter, frequently moving in search of food. 10. Black mamba conservation and threats. Despite being feared, black mambas are not aggressive killers of humans. They are an essential part of the ecosystem. Unfortunately, habitat destruction and human fear lead to many being killed unnecessarily. Conclusion. The black mamba is an incredible snake with a fearsome yet misunderstood reputation. While it is one of the deadliest snakes in the world, it does not seek out conflict with humans. Instead, it plays a vital role in controlling rodent populations and maintaining ecological balance. Respecting and understanding these creatures is key to coexisting with them in their natural habitat. What do you think about the black mamba? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Nature Hub. Like, comment, and share the video.
Thanks for watching Nature Hub. If you love exploring nature and wildlife, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Hub. Stay curious, stay wild, and see you in the next adventure.